Hey, it's Sammy on Thursday, September 4th. We traded in both directions today. We only took 5 trades. We made 184 points. This market rallied towards the end of the day, but I had some personal errands to run, so I wasn't in the chair, but I still managed to take some great trades. Let's take a look and see how everything played out. Look to the left. This market was incredibly consolidated. We had a short breakdown to hit pivot at the 61.8. That data quickly flipped back over. I was just not quick enough to get the short at the open. It was basically one fast bar, but now we can see the intent of the market, see where it opened. We're coming back up through, so let's see how far we can make it. The aqua band and purple band are second and third deviations. Yesterday's high, that's where we're going. We're trailing this, okay? So we're gonna trailing stop of plus 63 points. Okay, we hit that third deviation band. The market pulled all the way back to almost to the open. It hit our 1 minute kernel. Now we're gonna go long again. Our data is still in play to the long side. Notice we got that sentiment right at that threshold, but we also have a ton of momentum, really excess momentum, just cranking right now. So we're gonna step back in and finish this long. All right, we're really struggling at this 100 Fibonacci level. We just probably don't have what it takes to make it through all the way up to resistance there. I'm gonna trail this. So we're gonna end up with a plus 21 with our trailing stop. Now I'm doing a short time frame signature soda reversal play. All right, everything is breaking down on my short 2 time frames, and I have what's called a break of structure, but I also have a divergent double top here. That's why I'm shorting the market right now off of the high of day. So we're hitting where I'm actually anticipating a really big short break to occur. And what we're going to do here is just trail down right away and lock in 31 points because we're only working with that short time frame data. And of course, we're coming through the short break now. What the market is doing is actually going down to seek new value. Where the rest of the buyers got left was that VWAP, that pink line right down there is where we're heading. Ironically, there's also yesterday's close right down here. So let's take the second part of this trade. I probably choked it a little too tight here at that short break identification zone. So let's see how it plays out. See, what I'm doing is I'm reading that sentiment all eroded into my favor. My short time frames have flipped over, and here we go. We're going to go down and hit that pink line, which is VWAP for plus 38 points. The market found value at VWAP, okay? I missed the entire play to the left. It's 10 coming into 10:30 here now. So I'm gonna jump on here. I got a tiny pullback here. Let's see if we can, all of our data is coming back into alignment, see if we can make it up to our, look at that. We got all that sentiment firing. We got that excess. We've got these volatility breaks. We're really hammering long here. And we're gonna trail this thing and end up with 31 points at the top, and we're done for the day.